What if I told you most companies investing millions in AI are building it completely wrong? And what if the real secret to mastering AI isn't about prompts or tools, but about understanding something deeply human? Welcome back to Hustle with AI. Today we're unpacking one of the most powerful ideas from our series, AI Mastery in 47 Minutes. And joining me is Guru Prasad, IT leader, cross-functional domain expertise, someone who works directly with enterprise AI systems. Let's dive in. In our series, we talk about how AI isn't just technology, it's a system. You describe it as the human anatomy of enterprise AI. What does that really mean? So where are companies getting it wrong? Break down the anatomy for us.
It means AI inside companies behaves like a body. It has a brain, nerves, memory, and reflexes. And when one part fails, the entire organism struggles. Most organizations treat AI like a tool, but the companies that win treat AI like a biological system. They start with the brain. They obsess over LLMs, foundation models, accuracy, and compute power. But they ignore the nervous system, which is data flow. They ignore memory, which is knowledge architecture. They ignore muscles, which are workflows. So what happens? They install a powerful brain into a body with no nerves, and then they wonder why nothing moves. AI success is only 20% intelligence. It's 80% system design. Here's the simplified framework. The brain represents models and decision engines. DNA is your business strategy. Blood is data flow. Memory covers databases and knowledge systems. Muscles are automation and execution. Eyes and ears handle APIs, user input, and sensors. And the prefrontal cortex is for governance and risk. When these align, AI transforms the organization. When they don't, it becomes expensive decoration. And that's the difference. Most AI content online is 5 prompts to get rich, 10 tools to automate everything, or replace your job in 24 hours. But mastery isn't tactical, it's architectural. If you understand system design, workflow leverage, and information flow, you don't just use AI, you architect advantage, because small players can now think like large systems. In the past, only enterprises could afford data scientists, infrastructure, and automation layers. Now, an individual with GPT, Zapier, Notion, and APIs can build a mini enterprise nervous system. If you think in systems instead of tools, you multiply output. AI gives leverage. Systems give scale. Combine both, that's unfair advantage. We're seeing 3 shifts: prompt engineers to system architects, tool users to workflow designers, and content creators to AI orchestrators. The future isn't about better prompts, it's about designing feedback loops, memory structures, multi-agent collaboration, and AI plus human hybrid workflows. The winners won't be the smartest, they'll be the best integrators. Ask 4 questions. Where does information enter my life? Where does it get stored? Where does it get lost? Where do decisions slow down? That's your anatomy map. Then build this. Input, processing, memory, output, then feedback. Even in your personal workflow, AI mastery isn't technical, it's architectural. AI doesn't replace humans, it amplifies structured humans. If your thinking is chaotic, AI scales chaos. If your thinking is strategic, AI scales power.
That's exactly why AI Mastery in 47 Minutes isn't about prompts. It's about structural thinking. Why should entrepreneurs and freelancers care about enterprise AI structure? So where's this heading? How can someone start thinking this way today? If you had to summarize this entire conversation in one sentence, that's powerful. If this conversation shifted your thinking, go watch our full series, AI Mastery in 47 Minutes. It's not about tools, it's about leverage. This is Hustle with AI. We're not here to watch the AI revolution. We're here to architect it. See you next time.